92% failed to solve this problem. Do you think you can solve this problem? Hello everyone, my name is Mark.
And I am Natalie.
In solving this problem, we will be applying Polya's four-step approach to the problem.
So the first step is preparation. In this step, we will understand the problem. So we will need to analyze and use our analyzation skills to fully understand what is needed or what is needed to be found. So the problem given is 7 plus 7 divided by 7 plus 7 multiplied by 7 minus 7 is equal to blank. The choices are A, 0, B, 8, C, 50, and B, 56. So analyzing this problem, we conclude that it is a basic arithmetic operation because of the mathematical symbols such as plus, minus, division, and multiplication. We can also see that the number 7 is written in a different style. It looks like a Japanese alphabet, but it simply means the number 7. So now that we have understood the problem, what is needed to be found, its nature, and its meaning, we will now move on to the next step.
The next step is thinking time. We will now define the method that we will use to solve the problem. The method that we will use is MDAS. MDAS stands for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. We, Now that we have defined the method that we will use, we will now proceed to the next step, which is insight. We will now carry on the given method. 7 plus 7 divided by 7 plus 7 times 7 minus 7 is equal to. Firstly, we will need to get the product, which is 49. Secondly, we will divide 7 by 7, which we will get the quotient, number 1. Afterwards, we will add 7 to 1, which we will get the number 8, and 49 with the number 8, which we will get the number 57. After, Lastly, we will subtract 57 to 7. We will subtract 7 to 57. 57 minus 7 is equal to 50.
So now that we have the answer C50, we will now look back and verify if it is the correct answer. So it is the only possible answer among the choices. No, because if we look back, we can apply different methods or um, sequences in solving the problem. If we solve the problem from left to right, the answer will be D 56. If we solve the problem from right to left, the answer will be letter B, which is 8. And in the order of subtraction, addition, division, and multiplication, the answer will be letter A, 0. With that, we can conclude that all answers or all of the choices are possible answers. However, the most accurate is letter C. Why? Because we applied the rule of MDAS in obtaining the answer of letter C. And MDAS is a rule used to simplify and accurately solve problems. The answer letter C is the most trustworthy because of the rule MDAS.
Fun fact, there is also a rule that helps in simplifying and accurately solving problems, called PEMDAS. It stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. PEMDAS is the extended form of MDAS, which includes the operations parentheses and exponents. Now, Now that we have solved this problem, are you part of the 92% that can solve this problem?
That is all, everyone. Thank you for listening. We hope that you have obtained or acquired problem solving skills from this lesson.
3, 2, 1. Laging
Ang,
tatandaan, ang
ang
nag-aaral ng
pag-aaral ng
mabuti
mabuti ay lalaking
ay
mabuti.